I think of different levels of trust. Like there's this first level of trust, and I think most people who come into the coherent body work already have this trust that the body has this deeper intelligence and self-healing construction. But then there's another layer of trust that is trust in the unknown or unexpected. But what that speaks to at the core is trust that you can meet the unknown and unexpected, that you are able to deal with whatever comes your way. It's self-efficacy, it's standing on your own 2 feet, it's really being present to all the possibilities that are there when you step into the unknown. And literally, when you are on one foot, rotating around your center and stepping and landing in the other foot, that is the void. You're stepping into the unknown because it's a unstable moment and a trust that that next landing, that foot landing will support you. There's this trust, and when you start to lose the trust in yourself, for instance, in your own balancing mechanism, what do? You start looking at your feet. You start looking
Hmm.
down because you're not trusting the feedback that's coming up within you from your body. Because sometimes it's just astounding, like, how do I know that that curb was there? And sometimes we don't, right? We trip over that thing in the sidewalk. If you have this openness of picking up the indistinct stuff, you perceive things. But if you're trying to focus and you focus by shutting off the movement and the environment and all the indistinct stuff, you miss it. So there's a lot that we pick up through movement, through change in light, minimal change in light, shades, gradation, and when there's an inconsistency that you could kind of see on the ground, instead of being smooth, there's kind of like a jump up there. You perceive that if your attention is open to the fullness of the environment, which includes things that are indistinct, which include the things in your peripheral vision. And the body's response to perceiving the things that are indistinct is calming because you're immersing yourself in the center of the moment instead of trying to shut out things so that you can focus.